back to the JRD Motorsports YouTube channel. We are here at WMI. We're working on our beautiful pit cart episode number 3. If you haven't checked out the first couple of episodes, make sure you go back, check out our channel. I'll put the link in the description below. We are currently at this much for our running total of how much we've spent on this thing. And tonight we're going to add some more to that with some stuff like aluminum angle iron and some other stuff. Lights maybe. We'll see how far we get with some of the skin tonight. So we're going to start putting some shelves in it. We're going to start putting some of the skin on it before it hits the powder coat. We've sort of switched it up a little bit. We were originally going to send the powder coat and then put the panels on. But I've decided that I want to make it so that a little bit more of the skin on it is powder coated. So we're going to do a little bit more prep work before it goes to powder coat. But that's about what we're going to get up to tonight. So I appreciate you checking out this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. And we're going to get right into this video right now. So this is where we're at so far for this pit cart build. We're just over $2,000 in, and this is kind of where we're at with the start of the night. Like I said, we're going to start doing some of the skin, but we're pretty far along. The frame of it's pretty much built. We're going to flush grind some of the welds on the outside so they look good for powder coat. But she's looking damn good, damn happy with it, and it could not be any more square or level. So we're probably one or maybe 2 more nights of work away from getting this thing powder coated and starting to see some color on it. And yeah, make sure you hit that subscribe button though. We're really getting on track here with this, and lots of people are liking this. So comment below, let us know if there's anything else you want to see or any other measurements. Our measurements are pretty much on par with what we posted in the first vlogs. Safety first. All right, Nate, we're gonna try and we got our first top shelf in.
Yeah.
We're gonna try and
the second one there. And
what do you want to do? You want to figure out height?
Yeah, I figured if we just put a couple of them together and figured out what's a good height for that.
That's probably a good height.
I think so.
What's that? 2 inch tape and 3? So that's 5 inches? You got a ruler?
I think so. Yeah. Tell you what, what's the height of this?
Yeah. It's probably 5 inches, right?
It's like 4 1/4, but if you did 5, it gives enough room.
So if we go in here, top shelf is for batteries. Then if we go 5 inches again, I think that's probably about right?
Oh, you're at 6 right now. Did you 6?
You get 6 to where?
6 to the shelf height.
So I think the top one's actually 6 then too.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
let's 6 then?
Yeah, let's match them.
That works, yeah.
Give me one of them Picos. The first exterior panels. Look at this. This guy's a professional. Do you do tin work here often?
It's like my second time doing tin work.
Well, you might be signing yourself up for some more work.
Well, yeah, we'll see.
I'm not very good at tin work, so I've recruited Nathan for this. This will be the first panel that goes on the car. Not the car. For once, we're not building a car. Pit cart.
Yeah.
We're not building the car again.
Nope.
Yeah, so this is pretty good. This will be the first panel. We're doing the shell in aluminum, so she's nice and light. And this young grasshopper's got her looking pretty good. Once we go over to the other, let's yeah. I guess you haven't put it in yet.
We'll see. Yeah.
How much you figure we just saved on the pit cart?
That's at least 20 pounds.
Maybe 6 grand. The pit cart just got a 10 faster, boys. So these, we were going to put angle iron the whole way up. Angle iron, aluminum angle. We were going to put that the whole way up. But we just came up with this genius solution to just put tabs of door bar plate, top, bottom, middle. These will be the ones it's going to stop the door. Yeah, careful not to touch it, you just welded it. These will stop the door, but it'll also, in the middle, act as our locking point for our locks, which we have actually now purchased. I can't remember how much they were. They were like $50-ish for 8 of them. I don't think we're gonna need 8, but anyways, we bought the locks, so we'll add that to the running total. But then these plates we're just adding, we're in the finished fab stage now. So look at this. That is some high quality craftsmanship right there. I do not believe you that is like the third time you've ever built a
Third time I've ever done tin?
I don't believe you.
Yeah.
So this is in there. So we bought a full sheet of aluminum to start. It's like 175 bucks a sheet or something. I can't remember. I'll have to look it up. But we'll say 175 or whatever it actually is. And so we've got one sheet. We'll probably need to add another sheet to our inventory and our total here when we start doing the shelves inside, but that'll be after powder coat. And then over here, I got these in. So these are going to be our shelves on the back of the pit cart. So this, we're going to put a little tab here too, and this will be, you'll open it up. Then we got one for like all our batteries, a shelf for our tape, and then these are probably going to be for power tools. In the original drawing that we showed in episode number 1, these were going to be, there was going to be 5 shelves. We elected to space them out a little bit. Sometimes just when you get doing stuff in real life, you see kind of where you actually want stuff. So we're actually only going to do 4, so it's 6, 6, 12, 12-ish, or a lot of ones a little bit longer, but however the math worked out. These are just aluminum angle too, nice and strong, and then we'll put shelves in and then put grip tape or whatever. But these were 30 or 40 bucks a length or something, I can't remember. So we'll add that to the total. We're spending money today. But yeah, that's where we're at. We're going to keep going, see how far we can get tonight. Update time. We got the end done. Nate did a fantastic job doing the tin work here the way that we wanted to get her done. So we elected to recess it inside rather than doing flush mounts, and we got a little more cleaning up here to do still, but rather than putting one big sheet all the way across it, we recessed it because this whole thing's gonna get powder coated like this. So much nicer this way. Just deciding if we want to put a bead roll design or not. In a comment below, what do you think? Should we put a bead roll in it or not? It's pretty sturdy without it, so I don't necessarily think there's a need for it, but if the people say it needs it, maybe it needs it. Alrighty, that is it for tonight. Let's do a 360 around this thing. She's looking damn good. I think I've said that like 10 times now, but I'm pumped. It's like, look at how tight that is. Good job, Nate. Good job. A little trimming to do, tack welder in. We've kind of mixed steel and aluminum where we needed to, but our shelves are all in. We've got our tabs all put in for our latches. Door stoppers and everything are all in. On this side, we got one more shelf put in. Just gotta put one once the toolbox is out of here. We'll put another bracket in here. But all of our door stops are all welded in. Zoom in. Rear welds. Those are nice. Nice.
Oh, maybe it'll focus.
Pit cart, the whole pit cart.
There we go.
All the welding nice. On this side, we got our handle latch on there. Aluminum's on. So our running total for tonight, we are at, I don't know what it is right now, I'll add it up afterwards. This one. And yeah, so I appreciate everybody watching this part number 3. We're probably gonna be like 7 or 8 parts or more to get this thing done. It's a little more work than I thought. Take a little more time in typical race car fashion. So appreciate everybody. Make sure you smash that subscribe button for us. We're on the road to 1,500, and maybe by the time this one comes out, we'll be past that. So appreciate everybody. Comment below. Let us know what you think so far. Let us know if you have any other brilliant ideas that we can maybe incorporate into it. And we'll get ready for powder coat hopefully the next one. We kind of delayed it a little bit to get some of these other things done because we want to get a little more color on here. So we'll be back next time.